In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Porsche wheel spacers are best for your Cayenne. With a wide range of Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers on the market, choosing high quality and selecting the right thickness of spacers become an important issue. You need safe Porsche wheel spacers to fit your Cayenne and ensure they work even in high-speed driving and complex road conditions. You must choose the right Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers. Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are available in two types, one with half century and one without half century. Wheel spacers with half century are best suited to your Porsche Cayenne. Half century Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturers and auto parts reviewers prefer half-century Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers over long-century wheel spacers. If the Porsche Cayenne aftermarket wheels have a center hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck, you will need to fit them with half-century rings or wheel adapters. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a special half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the special half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. The BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on a common wheel spacer. Under the promise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption loss, improves control performance, and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety, and the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.